Good, bright, beautiful Thursday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern Mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this gorgeous Thursday with the daily video forecast discussion for the 13th of August 2015. Beautiful weather conditions in place this morning with low dew points and low temperatures too. We have temperatures in the upper 50s to low and mid 60s across the region. The winds are light and out of the northwest. There's a little bit of fog out there in interior Somerville in New Jersey, but not really obscuring too much, and that will burn off within the next couple of minutes or so of this broadcast. Just gorgeous this morning. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere Software. We like this. High pressure over Indiana and Ohio, stretching all the way to the eastern United States coast, providing us with beautiful, gorgeous summertime weather conditions. Morning pass of the visible satellite this morning over the ridges here in northeastern Pennsylvania and upstate New York and northwestern New Jersey. Just a few alto cumulus clouds, just gorgeous weather conditions. Mid and upper level drying, compression in the atmosphere, temperatures today in the upper 70s in the Poconos, low to mid 80s everywhere else. Just absolutely gorgeous, fantastic weather. And a really nice fine stretch of weather for the middle part of August. If you're on vacation, it's going to be fantastic, but the UVI indexes will be high, so sunscreen is going to be a must right through the weekend. And for those of us still suffering from summertime allergies and or colds across the region, which I'm still at 13 days with this cold here, we have moderate concentrations of grass through the weekend, and weed is now also going to be on the increase tomorrow right through the weekend as well. Surf zone forecast for the New Jersey beaches and Delaware beaches, just absolutely fantastic beach weather. Sunny skies, temperatures in the low 80s, northwest winds at 5, becoming onshore in the afternoon with sea breeze. Surf 2 to 3 feet, southeast swell at around 2 feet. Surf temperature delightful, 72. UVI index is 8. Low risk of rip currents today. Again, as we said, never swim in unguarded areas. Always have a flotation device. Never swim alone, and never swim near piers and jetties. No threat of lightning today. And the next high tide at Belmar just passed. Low tide will come in at 12:59 this afternoon. The next high tide at 7:20 this evening. And for the ocean beaches from New York City and Long Island for today, low threat of rip currents once again, no threat of lightning. Surf height will be around 1 foot. That's very nice. Ultraviolet index is high. Water temperatures mid-70s, sunshine. Max temperatures today at the beaches around 80. Northwest winds becoming south with a sea breeze in the afternoon. And the next high tide at Rockaway Inlet will be at 7:41 this evening. Beautiful flying conditions on the aviation and weather deck for today. VFR conditions expected through the period. There'll be some mid-level clouds around this morning and then some cumulus in the afternoon. Clear skies for tonight. The wind forecast from the northwest at less than 10 and veering a westerly direction during the afternoon. It could be a sea breeze front that develops along the coast, probably not making it too far inland. It may reach Atlantic City by mid-afternoon. The wind should then become light and variable at all of the TAF stations through tonight. Friday through Monday, VFR expected. High pressure, the dominant weather feature. Weak cold front crosses the region late Saturday. Could trigger a few inland shower or thunderstorms basically north, but aerial coverage too low to include in the forecast. Just absolutely fantastic weather. Right now outside of Newark, 68, dew point 57. Can't get better for that in the morning on the middle of August here. Wind out of the northwest at 7. A few clouds at 8,000 and 12,000. Otherwise, sunshine prevails in VFR conditions. Also the same for Philadelphia, 68, beautiful, 57 dew point, wind northwest 5. A few clouds at 6,000 and 12,000. VFR conditions in place. Surface forecast from the Weather Prediction Center through the weekend, really just high pressure dominating our forecast with a building up of, warmer temperatures getting close to 90 in the urban areas on Friday and Saturday. Away from the coast with sea breezes, temperatures could get into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Over the Poconos, low to mid 80s will be the predominant rule with high pressure in control. And the next chance will be with a weak front that tries to make its way through the area on Saturday afternoon, probably just moves right off the northern New England coast with very little influence outside of perhaps a sea breeze influence developing in the afternoon, maybe triggering a light shower or thunderstorm, about 20% chance over the interior. Otherwise, just delightful weather and hot weather too coming up for the weekend with increasing dew points as well. The next chance of any widely organized precipitation may come probably later Tuesday afternoon as the front gets through the northern mid-Atlantic region with an area of low pressure and a trough preceding it. and that means that temperatures will be warm. It's about a 30 or 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm developing during this time frame, and then temperatures begin to cool down as the front stalls to our south on Wednesday. We get into an onshore flow, which cooler temperatures here in the northern mid-Atlantic, probably still around 85, 90 degrees in the Delmarva area on Wednesday, as this area of low pressure in the upper plains then moves into Canada. We've got great weather coming up. Temperatures above normal over the next 6 to 10 days. Precipitation chances just about near normal or slightly below normal for the next 6 to 10 days. And finally, for the next 8 to 14 days, still above normal temperatures with the ridge access and control in the eastern United States and the pattern starting to reload in the Pacific. But generally, not seeing any big influences in our weather pattern, at least through the end of this month. So if you like beautiful summertime weather conditions at the beach or in the mountains, this weather is definitely for you. It's a keeper. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a beautiful Thursday.